Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today's video I am sharing with you how to make pap powder or cornstarch. I will be using dried white corn. You can use the yellow one if you prefer. Wash the corn and transfer it inside a large bowl. Add water. Stir, cover and leave it to soak for 2 to 3 days to make it easy to grind. 3 days later, the corn is nicely soaked and this is what it looks like, and I was giving it a rinse every day to avoid the pap from having any bad smell. I'm going to wash it very well until it is nice and clean. Transfer the washed corn inside the blender. Add water. Blend it until it is nice and smooth. Transfer the blended corn inside the bowl. Next, it's time to filter the pap. You will need a nut bag or a chiffon cloth. Add the pap inside the bag. Add water. Tie the bag. And squeeze out the pap. Add water to rinse the chaff and repeat this process until everything is done. Cover it and leave it to settle for 2 to 3 hours. 2 hours later, strain out the water on top of it. Next, you will need a muslin bag. Transfer the pap inside the muslin bag. Tie the bag. I will place the bag on a rack to help it to drain out. You can also place any heavy object on top of it. Some hours later, I checked and at this point, all the water is gone. It is nice and dry. Open the bag and bring out the pap. If you are not making it into powder form, at this stage, you can pack it and store it in the refrigerator. To make it into powder form, transfer the pap on a train and spread it out. You can leave it to dry under the sun. I'm going to be leaving this one to dry under the countertop. If you are putting it under the sun, you want to cover it with a net to avoid any dust or sand on the cornstarch. Next, you can also use a dehydrator to dry the pap as well. I'll put it on and leave it to dry. 2 days later, the pap is nicely dried and this is what it looks like. So at this stage, we cannot use it like this. Transfer the cornstarch in a blender. And blend it into powder form. Pap powder, cornstarch is ready. Transfer it in a dry bowl, and this can last for 6 to 12 months. You can use it to make any recipe that calls for cornstarch or pap. Once it's nice and cool, transfer it in an airtight container, store it, bring it out when you're ready to use it. To make pap, add some cornstarch in a bowl. Add room temperature water. Mix it until everything is well mixed. Add boiling water and stir. You can enjoy akamu with moi moi or akara, and you can enjoy akamu any time of the day. Cornstarch can also be used to make agidi jollof. And you can use it to make white agidi as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.